Today, I wanted to show you how to access eBay Seller Hub. It's free to use. The only catch is you have to have at least sold one item on eBay, but you don't need an eBay store to use this tool. It's really great. It shows you a lot of your analytics and selling, and it can help you grow a business. But there's a bit of a warning. Make sure you watch this video all the way through before you go and do this, because using eBay Seller Hub will change some of your eBay listing settings, and it will adjust the way you may have previously done eBay. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to opt out of eBay Seller Hub if you're not liking it. And sometimes opting out of eBay Seller Hub resets the changes and takes you back to how eBay used to be. Sometimes when you opt out of eBay Seller Hub, it will take you back to the way your listings used to be before you begin using the Seller Hub, and sometimes it won't. Sometimes opting into eBay Seller Hub leaves permanent changes. And so I'll go over those changes so you can decide whether or not this is something you want to opt into in case it permanently changes your eBay settings. So thanks for joining me. We'll hop right into it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, guys, and you're helping me do that. Thank you so much. All right, so this page is about eBay Seller Hub and goes over the analytic tools and different options that it has. It's kind of an overview page. And how I got here, I just did a quick Google search for eBay Seller Hub. And this is the fastest way I found to access the Seller Hub versus going through eBay's actual platform, is just to Google search eBay Seller Hub. For me, it's this first link. I can leave this link in the description box below for you guys. And then here you're going to start using Seller Hub. It's that easy. It's just a click of this button. And I should say, if anything's blacked out on my screen, I'm just trying to keep personal information private. This has brought me to eBay Seller Hub, and it looks different than your regular My eBay. You can see your selling data, your orders, and if you just scroll down here, there's a lot of cool things. And if you want more videos on how to read this stuff, let me know in the comments below. But it's as simple as that to start using the Seller Hub. And now I want to show you the difference though. When you create a listing, so if you create a listing and you want to sell a lot of baby girl shoes, you'll notice that it changed the way the listing used to look on My eBay. Something I want to show you specifically is the shipping. So if we scroll down here to shipping, it looks a little different than your normal My eBay did, or the way that the app looks. So it used to show you the estimated price of what your buyer would be charged. So here it's kind of confusing, because if you click free shipping, is your international shipping also going to be free, or are your buyers being charged for that? So the shipping looks different, and it's a little frustrating because you can't see right off the bat the estimated shipping price that your customer will be charged. Instead, you'll have to come in here and hit calculated shipping. Let's just put in some numbers real quick. Let's just say this weighs 6 ounces. We're going to select a major city. Let's just say Atlanta, and then calculate shipping. And now it's going to show us the shipping cost. So you have to go through that extra step to see this estimated shipping cost, where before it just showed up as you were clicking through the shipping. So I don't like that feature about eBay Seller Hub, and this made me want to opt out of this. And I was helping a friend, Kendra Joy. Actually, if you guys haven't checked out her channel, go do that. She makes great joyful videos all about bringing you joy in these crazy times, and a lot of them are really funny. My favorite video is Slumber Party, so I'll put a link to that in the comments below too. Go support her channel. She is a small YouTube channel, and she's really growing right now, and she does a great job. But I was helping her with some eBay stuff, and she ran into this problem, and we figured out that she could opt out of eBay Seller Hub to fix this, and it fixed it for her. But when I tried it for myself, it didn't fix this problem. Whenever I'm on my computer, my shipping still looks like this after opting into eBay Seller Hub and after opting out. It stayed the same. But the app is the old way, like it was before I opted into eBay Seller. I hope that's making sense to you guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to opt out of eBay Seller. Let's go up. Let's go to eBay. My eBay. Sorry if some of this is cut off, but I'm going to My eBay, selling. This is going to take me right to the Seller Hub page. I'm going to scroll down, and on the left, I will find a button underneath selling tools that says opt out of Seller Hub. And I'm going to click that button, and it's going to give me a prompt of whether or not I really want to opt out. And I can always come back into Seller Hub the same way I showed you guys at the beginning. So it's not like I'm leaving it for forever or it's going to cost me money next time. It's free, and it's really easy to get back into. You just follow the steps at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to switch tools and take me back to my eBay. So now you can see it looks different. It looks like it did originally. But if I go to sell an item, did it fix the problem? It did this time, yay. So I want to sell blue baby shoes. And sell one like this. Say they're pre-owned. Okay, it fixed it for me that time. That makes me so happy. You guys, I was preparing for this video yesterday, and I tried doing this 3 times, and after opting out of eBay Seller Hub, it wasn't working. It still had the old listings. I even tried logging out of eBay and logging back in and closing the window, so I don't know why it was working today. So if you are having trouble and you opt out of the eBay Seller Hub and it doesn't really opt you out, it keeps all the settings the same, maybe just give it some time or try again. Log in, log out, close your window. But now the listing looks like it used to with the shipping the way it used to be. Now I can click on this. I can see right away what the buyer would pay if I changed my shipping service to something else. All right, everyone, I hope that helped. If it did, please subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these how-to videos where I'm actually on eBay's website, or if you'd rather see some fun videos about what's sold on eBay, or if you want to find different ways to make money with the skills and tools you already have. Make sure you follow along with my channel Inside the Box, and I'll catch you in the next video.